Look, I see Ross Llewellyns as being a great corporate citizen, and particularly in this instance, they've taken what I see to be a decision that is for the benefit of the community and the environment. And to be leaders in the car industry in relation to that sort of delivery of solar and an alternative energy it's just great for our city.
We're really excited to embrace new technologies, and we have done for several years. And I think solar, we really want to take one step ahead of most of the game. So not only have we put in a very large solar array on the roofs, we've also backed that up with battery technology as well. And by using the Planet Ark Power battery technology that's been implemented, it actually lets us take those peaks off the power. And we really think that down the track, as that becomes more and more of a pricing model for the generators, that we're going to have a better and better business case of the decision we've made today.
Planet Ark Power is really proud to partner with Ross Llewellyn Motors in they're showing true leadership in the transition to a clean energy source moving forward. The solar installation that we've installed here and the power factor correction and the battery integration is going to offset about 47% of their grid electricity usage, which is a significant portion. So moving forward, it's going to provide security and sustainability on a clean energy source. So it's an exciting time, and they're showing true innovation and showing other Ipswich businesses and businesses in South East Queensland the financial benefits that this system is going to provide.
The energy market is largely built around having limited amounts of solar that you can put onto the grid or generate onto the grid at any point in time. The main reason being that local generation increases the voltage on the network. What we tried to do was build new equipment that would control that voltage at the same time as allowing much more solar, up to 100% of the grid capacity, to come back onto that network. Our calculations and modelling has shown that this is possible, provided we have the technologies to do it.
There's a fantastic future for this kind of technology. You know, we live in a great state where we've got sunshine most of the time, and we can collect the energy from our solar panels, and by storing it in batteries, it just makes sense.
The financial aspect of the project was actually quite interesting, because we've always talked about a payback time with solar, and what we've been really able to achieve with the project with Planet Ark Power is we've been able to go through and actually become cash positive from day one. That's been a really amazing situation for us to be in, and what we're really excited about is with the battery technology on top of that, we'll actually improve the business case as the years goes on, as electricity goes up. So we think it's been almost a no-brainer in the sense of taking the approach that we've taken.